Guys, ever since I have started using the Zouk bags, I have fell completely in love with it. And trust me, मैं बहुत सारे अलग-अलग bags use किया करती थी, and now I have just kept all of those back in my closet, and this is my holy grail. Zouk is a 100% Indian handcraft company that makes some amazing designs of bag. They have tote bags, they have wallets, they have laptop bags, and these lovely huge jute bags. And these are made up of 100% vegan leather. So they have this lovely designs which can be used by every woman, one who goes to office, one who likes to goes out with his friends, going out with in kiddie parties, or just to go for your normal shopping. Zouk bag is the only thing that you need to carry, and you will have everything in it because of the huge size and huge capacity of these bags. So I got my bag in this beautiful black and white flower print. It is made up of jute material, and this is a hardy leather, but mind you, it's 100% vegan leather. So the entire company has products which are PETA approved, and I totally love that thing. If you use my code YTMINSHRA15, you can get a 15% off, and trust me, you need Zouk bags in your life. I have fallen in love with it. Now it is time to show you what is in my bag. Look at the huge capacity of the bag, guys. It can fit everything in it. So now I am going to show you what all I have in my bag. सबसे पहले तो इसकी बहुत ही अच्छी चीज है that it has a laptop pocket in it, so I can keep my laptop in it. So I can easily place my entire Dell laptop in this bag, and I don't have to carry an additional laptop bag with myself. Now next that is there in the bag is my diary. This is a diary that I use to capture all my notes, my daily meeting and schedules. So that is that. And the bag also has different pouches to keep your cards and your pen. So I have my lovely black pen. I have my business cards here. Next, I have my wallet inside the bag. I don't have to carry it differently. So this has my money. I hardly carry money these days. Everything is done online, and it has my driving license and other things. So next we have my really cute water bottle. I don't like to carry that huge water bottle. It becomes very heavy. So this is a really cute one. It comes in this case, jute case, that really matches my bag. I just realized it. Alright, next, since I love to vlog, I love carrying a small cute portable selfie stick. So this is the selfie stick that I have in my bag, and this is how you can extend it and use it. It is very sturdy and very useful. और क्या है? So these days I have to carry an extra mask because हर दूसरे दिन मैं अपना mask गुम कर देती हूँ, and then my husband scolds me. So 2 sets of masks. So this is a little pouch in which I carry my medicine. All the girls know what is this used for, and then I also carry my menstrual cup. I don't want to forget it anytime when I need it, so this is almost every time in my bag. Now I have this small little tin dabbi which has my headphones and a sanitizer. आजकल sanitizer के बिना आप नहीं जी सकते हो, so you need to carry that with you. Can you imagine the stuff that is coming out of this bag? Alright, so now this is a pouch which I carry. Okay, surprisingly today everything is black. My laptop, my purse, my wallet, my bag and my pouch, everything is black. And this has got my makeup. So every time I have to go for any meeting or I have to go and meet somebody, I just like to do a little touch up. So it has my compact, it has a sunscreen, very essential guys. Then it has 2 of my favorite lipsticks. This is the Huda Beauty and the Sephora lipstick. Some hair bands, a moisturizer and a Vaseline. अब सर्दियाँ आ रही हैं तो इसकी बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ने वाली है. I am so excited for winters, guys. Alright, next I have some green tea sachets. I love taking green tea every time after my lunch, and जब मुझे नहीं मिलती है तो बहुत problem होती है, so I try to carry my own green tea in the bag with me. Next, something very funny. This is fruit and nut muesli. तो जब मुझे टैक्सी में ट्रैवल कर रही होती हूँ, there are times when I have to travel from Noida to Gurgaon and back, and I get really hungry in between, and to avoid eating anything unhealthy, I try to carry this fruit and nut muesli. This is a very nice tip, guys. Just keep a little bit of muesli in your bag and you can munch on it whenever you want. So that's it. That's it for the bag. As you guys can see, there is so much stuff that fits into it, and I love the quality, the sturdiness of this bag. Go and grab yourself another Zouk bag in different designs. Go check out their website and use my code YTMinsha15 to get a 15% off. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. There is this huge amount of stuff that now I have to pack back in the bag, and then I'm ready to go for my work.